Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to make methi chapatis. It is going to be stuffed methi chapatis. So I have taken one bunch of methi leaves, some coconut, one carrot, one onion, and for seasoning, some chilies and curry leaves. So for the methi leaves, I have washed them nicely and drained out all the water, and then cut them into pieces. And I've taken some oil, two tablespoons of teaspoons of oil, and I'm heating some jeera. And then adding in green chilies and the curry leaves. So we'll saute them. We are going to mix all the contents now. So onions and carrots and coconut. So this will be our stuffing. The stuffing looks so much green and orange and white, so it's very healthy and it's going to taste very nice. So now we'll have to add in salt, but currently I'm not going to mix the entire mixture with salt. So when I'm making the stuffed chapatis, so we are going to divide this content into portions and then add salt accordingly. I've taken a small portion here, and I'm adding in salt according to our taste. So I have the remaining portions here, which I'll be mixing salt later. I've taken a small ball sized dough, and we'll be rolling this into paratha. We do it in a rectangle shape, so I'll show you. I've rolled my dough as we usually do it for a chapati, and I am filling with the like the stuffing. Now I'm going to fold this. Uh, so I'm going to fold this into a rectangular shape as a pocket. So my paratha is ready. So now I'll have to heat it on a pan. While doing this, we have kept the edges thin. As you can see, these edges are thin. So we you can roll a big chapati and then fold it into a rectangular shaped one. So now we are going to cook this on a pan. Put some oil, and then now I'm going to fry the paratha. So this will need some oil. As you see, we'll have to uh, press this a little so that the stuffing is all in place. So as we have added all the non-cooked contents, we have not cooked them, so this will take some time on the tawa. We'll have to fry this on a low flame. So the paratha is fried completely now. So this is all ready to be served. Stuffed methi chapatis are all ready to be served. You can serve them with coconut chutney or dry chutney pudi, or you could also eat it with sauce or some curd and pickle. You see that the stuffing is also cooked properly, and this is really going to taste very nice. I have learned this recipe from my mother-in-law. So, I'm all set to go and taste this yummy stuffed methi paratha. I hope you all like this video. Do try this recipe and let me know how you liked it. Thank you.